Find features that make it different from other brands. For WISHOLY Mini Projector with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Why you should choose. Next, we are introduce some reasons why you should choose that. Mini Projector with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Equipped with 2.4G plus 5G dual-band Wi-Fi, this WISHOLY projector offers ultra-fast and stable screen mirroring with no lag or frame drops. Even when Wi-Fi isn't available, you can still mirror your phone's screen using cellular data with a simple one-step setup, no cables or adapters required. Portable Bluetooth projector. Connect your WISHOLY projector to Bluetooth speakers for richer, more powerful sound, or pair it with headphones for a private, immersive viewing experience without disturbing others. Please note, Bluetooth connection is only for audio transmission with audio devices, which cannot be used on smartphone screen mirroring. 180 degrees rotatable video projector. Featuring a 180 degrees adjustable stand, this 1080p projector allows you to effortlessly project from any angle, whether on a table, bedside, wall-mounted, or even the ceiling, providing flexible viewing options for any space. Auto Vertical Keystone Correction. The Movie Projector features automatic vertical keystone correction, instantly adjusting the image for a perfectly aligned, distortion-free display. No manual adjustments needed for a seamless viewing experience. Endless entertainment with TV stick. Just plug your TV stick, not included, into the home projector and start streaming millions of videos from services like Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Hulu, and more. No TV stick? No problem. You can easily connect a laptop or computer via HDMI for endless entertainment. Outdoor projector with 1080p support. Enjoy breathtaking visuals with 1080p resolution support, providing sharper and more detailed images. Whether you're at home or outdoors, experience your favorite content in vibrant clarity and immersive quality. Compact and portable design. This projector is designed for ultimate portability, measuring just 4.72 x 5.2 x 7.28 inches and weighing only 2.3 pounds. Take it anywhere with ease, whether you're traveling, hosting an outdoor movie night, or setting up a home theater in any room. If you want to get full highlight features and/or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. And important, don't forget to press subscribe to get instant notifications of all future uploads.